guys! Welcome to another vlog. Today is March 3 and it's currently 12:09 p.m. and nandito tayo sa Singapore. I'm so excited for this trip kasi I'm working with Disney and it's so surreal. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Basta, I just got here. So, yung vlog na to, it's gonna be all about the Disney cruise. And it's gonna be my first time sa cruise ship. So, it's so exciting. And it's with Disney pa. I love Disney. Dito kami muna nagsistay sa Swiss Hotel. So, I'll give you guys a tour of the room. Ako lang mag-isa dito, guys. So, very spacious. Ito yung CR. And lang siya. And then, yung sister ko, she gets another room here. Yan lang yung room namin. Kakadating lang namin. And today is like my free day. Tapos tomorrow yung event. Tomorrow ng gabi. So, ayun. I think for today, I wanna go around and shop for clothes. Kasi feeling ko maganda dito yung clothes eh. Like, I mean, alam ko maganda mag-shop ng clothes here sa Singapore. And I also wanna go to Sephora. I wanna eat Wingstop. Oh my gosh, gusto ko na mag-order ng Wingstop. Tapos, in 2 days, we go na sa cruise ship. So, I'm so excited. For now, mag-rest muna ako kasi medyo wala pa akong tulog. So, I'm just gonna rest for like an hour. Tapos, I'm gonna start my day here in Singapore. Tagal ko na rin hindi nakapag-Singapore. Yung last Singapore ko pa was also for a brand. So, ewan ko bakit laging Singapore. Pero, ang ganda dito, guys. First order of business. Pero guys, yung tenders nila dito, ang liit. Mas malaki sa States, no? Siguro pag sa States, times 2. Time to film a mukbang sa TikTok. Check nyo na lang doon. We just finished eating Wingstop. So now, punta kami sa 4th floor kasi buti na lang sinabi sa akin ni Princess na may kailangan pala kunin doon. Disney Cruise! Guys, ka-group ko sila. Princess and Nicole. Jasmine din daw sila eh. So, ayan. Kanina nag-uusap kami kung sino mga favorite Disney character namin. Sabi ko si Jasmine. Tapos Jasmine pala yung group namin. Wala lang. Fun. Okay guys, it is now 2:30. Aalis na ako. Pupunta ko sa Orchard. Kasi most of the stores na gusto ko puntahan is nasa Orchard lang. So, let's go shopping there. Magsa-solo trip lang tayo for today. Hi guys! So, I'm back here sa hotel. I'm gonna do a haul for you guys sa mga lahat ng napamili ko for today. So, first, pumunta ako sa Brandy and medyo na-overstimulate ako dun kasi sobrang laki. But, only got a few things. So, first is this skirt. Mini skirt. Iba yung color niya sa inyo. Pero, light blue siya na striped na mini skirt. I got this long sleeve. And may color siya, guys. Ewan ko, kasi nung sinuot ko siya, parang ang ganda niya sa skin ko or sa hair ko. So, I got it. And it's comfy. And then, I got these cute shorts na may nakasulat na honey. Wala, ang cute kasi ng color niya. And lastly, is this crop shirt na brown, na stripes. So, yun lang. And then, I went to Sephora. I only got 2 things. So, I got this Caudalie spray. Ito yung beauty elixir nila. And then, bumili ako ng full size ba to? Parang may mas malaki pang ganito eh. Kasi paubos na yung ganito ko na maliit. So, I had to get another one. Gusto ko rin sana bumili ng Patrick ta na mini blush. Pero, wala. Nakalimutan ko. So, balikan ko na lang siya next time. I also went to Victoria's Secret and I got the robe. Kasi ang tagal ko na nito gustong bilhin. So, I finally got it. Tapos, may ganyan lang siya. I went to Love Bonito. They gave me a free cap. First is this polo. Wala lang. Parang nice kasi siya pang office. And medyo oversized siya. And then, I also got this shirt. This cute striped shirt that I can also use pang office. Tapos, super cute nito kasi terno siya and ang ganda ng color. So, ganyan yung cut niya. Tapos, may cut siya dito and ang flattering niya kasi sa katawan ko. So, I got it. This is the matching skirt and it's high-waisted. Yun lang. That's my haul for today. Nag-order ako ng dinner. So, I'm just gonna have dinner and then I'm gonna rest na. Hi guys! So, it's the next day. It's currently 3:29 p.m. And I'm just waiting for the time kasi 3:45 yung call time namin to go down. Tapos, pupunta kami sa ship. And then, pero I think 7 p.m. pa yung start ng event. This is my look for tonight. Sobrang last minute nitong dress na to. As in, kanina ko lang siya binili. Dapat kasi magpapansang ako for the event. Pero naisip ko na gusto ko pala maging Disney princess. Feeling ko naman medyo giving Disney princess na itong look ko for tonight. Bawal magdala ng camera sa event. So, I'm gonna vlog na lang using my phone. Hi guys! Kasama ko si Princess and Nicole. Ano yung intro nyo?
Intro namin. Okay.
Go.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Prince. Ano ko? Parang weird yung tono, no? Dog show na yung intro talaga. Hindi ko ba yung intro mo pag nag-vlog?
Wala lang. Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. Ganon.
Sabi lang parang may spill eh. Oo, tsaka may tono na dapat. Parang hindi na pwedeng baguhin. Kaya tumanda na kami, yung tono na, hey Nicole, ang taas mo rin. Hey Nicole. Ay namin mo bago. Baguhin for Jasmine kami. I think ito na yung sign. Baguhin namin yung intro.
Oh, go. Practice.
Hey guys, what's up? Ang pangit pa yung what's up eh.
Wala na yun na talaga. Nag-iintay lang kami ng bus ngayon para pumunta sa ship. So, ito daw suotin namin.
Kailan pang bagay sa to eh.
Cute!
Mga adults, ito mapagkamala kayo princess talaga.
Ano to? Like, oh my gosh. Gusto ko mag-ganyan pero bakit pang kids na?
Pinili natin.
Ito na kaming tatlo, guys.
Ikaw yung nakapili.
Ayoko nga ng pink eh. Pero, hello! New me! Ay, ang cute na yun. Guys, may fun pala ako dito. May nahiya ako.
I've been watching her vlog since then.
Si Rachel.
Ang bias ko kasi si Bea.
Bias doon si Bea.
Doon ka lang.
Ako taga-bias kaya
Kaya
Bea.
punta ka sa cruise.
She's very pretty guys in person
Ay,
kahit lang makeup.
grabe naman.
Promise yan talaga na ako sa video.
Ano ba kayo guys? Lalaki ng ulo ko.
Hindi ka sumama Miss Universe yun.
Sis na lang ako dito.
Half ka ba?
Wala. Pero ayoko mag-ano kasi...
Nga, ano pala, akala ko may half yung mom mo.
Hindi, wala. Wala talaga by blood.
Pero sobrang ganda ng mom niya.
Oo, parang mga kapatid mo.
Nakita, ayaw nga na nakita mo in person.
No birthday mo.
Introduce si Rochelle. Tapos si Rochelle. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko?
Ako lang yung fan mo yan. Okay, video.
Guys, ito lang pala yung dinner sa event. Thank you!
Taking. It requires creativity. And Melissa Au, Chief Executive of the Singapore Tourism Board. Adventure.
Guys, I'm Cinderella, bro. Look at my shoe. Nakakuha akong slipper. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Disney. sea cruise. Ay, sorry. Masisira pa ata yung gown ko. Anyway, ang bait nila dito guys. Oh my gosh.
Tapos yung slipper, sobrang comfy. Hindi siya yung normal na slipper na manipes. Oh my God. Guys, nasa yellow basket.
Oh my God, guys. I'm finally gonna see the room. Andito na ako sa ship. It's already 3:04 p.m. I just need to look for it. Kasi sobrang dami. Dito. Oh my God, ang laki. Guys, sobrang haba. Oh my God. Kanina pa ako. Okay, malapit na tayo. Nauna na kasi yung sister ko dito. Oh my. Okay, this is the room. Huwag niyo nang pansinin yung watermark na yan. Hindi siya nagigising, guys. Ito yung bed. Tapos ito, sofa bed siya na. Okay guys, take 2. Wala nang watermark. May mga yung pillowcase. Mickey. Tapos, pag gusto mo ng privacy, meron ganito. Para i-close. Ay! Meron sila binigay. Oh my gosh! Ang dami! And then, this is our view. Yeah. So nice! Oh my gosh! So, nasa 15th floor kami, guys. And then, this is the Marina Bay. Thank you, Disney Cruise Line. Oh my God! Yay! Mayroon ako Mickey ears! Ang ganda nito. Look. Ay, baliktad ba? So cute. Okay, next. Bucket hat. Okay, next we have this bucket hat na feeling ko bagay kay watermark. Oh, watermark. Okay, next. Hala! May bag. Ang cute. Bibigay ko to kay Jiro. Meron tayong TWG tea. Tapos meron din cotton tea feathers. And magic lamp coffee bag taster. May pasalubong na ako kay mami. Ayan, may coffee tayo. Thank you. And yes! May tumbler! Dapat kasi magdadala ko ng sarili kong tumbler dito. Pero buti na lang. Meron dito. Ay! May umbrella. May umbrella tayo, guys. And, yes! Is this a blanket? Throw blanket! Bagay ito sa couch ko sa bahay. Kasi gusto ko rin ng bibili din dapat ako ng throw blanket doon. So nice! And lastly, meron tayong pamaypay pang skincare. Okay, yun lang. Thank you so much, Disney Cruise Line. I forgot, ito pala yung CR. Yan. Ito yung shower. This door naman is the toilet. May mirror din dito. Ooh. Maganda dito guys. Mag-content kasi ganda yung ilaw na ganyan. We have a closet here. Ano to? This is a ref. Ayan, may ref din. And then, this. Tapos, ayun yung bed. Meron din full-length mirror. Oh my God, guys! May movies dito! This is such a dream, bro! Okay, guys. We ordered room service.
This is the Dandan noodles, penne bolognese. We have 2 burgers, one here and one here.
Okay.
Burger and chicken tender with QP mayo here. And double cake.
Thank you so much. The food came. Here's our food. And we're gonna watch Cinderella. Guys, we're watching our second movie.
Hi guys! It's already 8:40 and we're headed to our dinner. So mag-dinner kami sa animators table. It's my fit for tonight. Dapat mag-heels ako pero ang daming lakad pala dito. So nag-sneakers na lang ako para mas comfy. This is my sister. Alam mo, every time na sasabihin ko sa mga, this is my sister, yung smile mo side-eye.
Guys, we have to draw before we get the menu. Almost done na kami, tapos yung kanya, ulo pa lang nagagawa. Sa kami. Si Danica. This is me. This is Kyle.
Alam mo yung cartoons na dalawa sila mag-girlfriend?
Look at this. Look how cute.
Masarap na.
Guys, kamukha ba niya yung drawing ko? Tingin ka
May exposure na kinikilig. That's sexy.
Pakita mo sa'yo. Ako daw, kasi square face.
Ano?
Square face. Talagang nilagay yung panga ko malaki. Guys, sobrang lamig sa loob. And first time ko lang dito sa labas. So nice. Pero gabi na kasi. Pero kanina nakita ko to from the window. Nung morning. Maganda rin. Ah, dito ka bumili ng boba? Tignan nyo guys yung boba nila. Ano? Si Ursula. Ang cute. Wow, look at this, guys. It's so pretty. What? Mas maganda pa siya in person. Oh my gosh. Guys, I bumped into Nicole and Princess. Ano sila?
First time!
Yeah.
Oo nga, nakita ko.
Gusto ko mag-pick.
Pipicturean ko pala yung tatay namin dito.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is March 6 and it's currently 8:08 a.m. Maaga tayo today kasi maaga ang call time. So magmi-meet kami ng 9:15. So I have an hour to get ready. Okay. I'm gonna film a get ready with me na lang sa TikTok. Guys, our open house is starting. So, yung first stop namin is TWGT. So, ayan.
Yan ang gusto natin. Yan nga. Gusto ko mga Kasi may games daw eh.
Uy, nakita mo ba may ping pong tournament dito?
Tournament?
Oo, nakita ko sa TV, may schedule.
Napapait na ako na outfit.
Meron nga!
As in tournament?
Oo, nakalagay ping pong tournament eh.
Oh my gosh. Gusto mo? The dog show in lang namin.
Side quest.
Gusto mo? Pag gusto mo, G, samahan kita.
Uy, name this song! Name this song!
I'll play it again. See if you can name it.
Oh my gosh.
Lots to explore, and this is another one of our amazing venues. It's a D Lounge.
Lahat na lang tayo kumanta.
Choir pala.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you.
And welcome to Singapore Sokyo Street. I'm really excited to chat with you about this today. And
Look guys, it's so fun here. They have an arcade. Oh my god. I need one full day here. Sure. Look guys, it's Baymax. Guys, I'm gonna meet Baymax. Hi!
It is healthy to take breaks from your daily routine. Even a few minutes.
Tumigil na ako mag-vlog guys. Because I'm beside you.
I am glad to hear that. Creativity can lead to great things.
Oh my god, tumatawa siya.
Let us capture this moment in a photo.
Philippines, let's go! Guys, in the school, we're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have lunch. Nasaan sa dinner? Navigators. Come on. My favorite. Guys, I'm gonna look for a cute hoodie kasi sobrang nilalamig ako dito. So, let's see. Gusto ko yung mga unique na design. This is parang wala. Walang neutral. Ang plano namin, magmamatchy hoodie kami.
Yes.
Pero parang walang giving.
Ang lang ating verdicts. Pero cute yun.
This is so cute, pero ang cute din ng price. It's so cute. Ito na siya, guys. Ito na yung napili ko.
Hi, I'm on Sophia's vlog, Liana's vlog, Danica's vlog. Alam mo yung nakikita mo sa CDR King, tapos maraming screen. Hey guys.
Ay, bagay sa'yo.
Right? Parang Happy New Year 2027. Nakita po natin ngayon ang influence ni Danica
Miss
Onteng.
Danica. O, diba? Ang ganda sa iyo. Bakit ang ganda sa kanya?
No, I feel like this is small kasi.
Small. Pero mas maganda yan kasi dun sa mini. Sorry. Tignan mo yung difference. Parang mas quality siya.
Guys, success. Mayroong small. Meron pa.
Okay, what are we doing today?
We're gonna pay for this sweater.
What did you got?
This Mickey sweater. So if you get this, tag me. Uy, tatanggalin ko na. Oh, no! For the vlog. Guys, look, I got playing cards. So nice. Okay guys, so it's 5:53 and we're gonna watch dito sa theater at 6. Pero bawal mag-video. So, okay, we just finished the show and sobrang ganda, as in, first time ko matiri-eye sa show. Kung Disney fan ka talaga, sobrang worth it pumunta dito. So nice, grabe. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Disney. Look at this, guys. It's so nice. Wow. And may roller coaster! Try namin sumakay sa roller coaster. We're gonna go on rides na lang. First, this ride.
Looks like we're making up for lost time. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy.
Kanina pa kami. Guys, i-like niyo yung TikTok namin ni Aliana. Kasi kanina pa kami.
1, 3, 2, galaw.
Thank you po kay Marcus.
Of course.
Pagkatapos ko na sobrang daming retake, siya naman.
Ayan. 1, 2, 3. 3.
You're always got a story to be told.
Sail across the sea and restore the heart.
Look, kid, without my hook, I can't shapeshift, so I can't possibly take on, take off.
Hi Hi guys, good afternoon. 4:05 na and it's March 7. Ngayon lang ako nakapagsalita sa inyo kasi, ewan ko, kanina, gising ako mga 11, tapos nag-room service lang kami and nanood ng Tangled. Tapos ngayon, oh my gosh, ang tagal namin nag-uusap ni Ate Jen.
Nag-ano kami, heart-to-heart talk. Hi guys, I'm Jen Barangan, by the way. Nag-introduce. Nag-introduce, guys. Just in case you don't know me, yes, I'm Jen. Hello po.
Ang cute kasi medyo matchy kami today.
Outfit, halter.
Halter na
Ayan,
blue. So, ayun. Nanood kami ng, yung Moana show dito. Sobrang ganda, guys. As in, sinasabi ko, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa kanila na sobrang worth it
Yes.
dito. As in, no words. Okay, yun lang. Magchichikahan na kami ulit.
Ang daldal pala nito sa personal. Akala ko talaga nanonood ako ng mga TikToks niya. Parang like, ano kasi siya parang nonchalant or something. Ang daldal niya pala, guys.
Madami akong baon na kwento.
Pero sobrang na-enjoy ko.
As in, anong oras? 2:30 yung show. Tapos,
Time na.
oh my God, 2 hours tayo nag-uusap.
Yes.
Okay guys, I'm here sa Deck 17 and it's my first time trying their pizza. Sobrang cute ng plate. And I bumped into... Hello! So pretty. Ay, di ba ganon? We're waiting for the Avengers 6 p.m. show.
To my Stark Expo this evening. We've got quite a show for you, and we're just wrapping up a few finishing touches, so until then...
The Iron Man. Iron Man! Well, I sure hope we see him tonight.
3, 2, 1, and now, we start.
Did you really want me to outdo your entrance, Tony? No, you're right. Can't have you looking cooler than me.
To the Orbs database. Now I just type in the search box. Let's see.
So, how'd I do?
You did all right, kid. We're all clear down here. Tony?
Let's hear it for the hero! Good friends. Yeah.
Good for tonight's dinner.
Oh my gosh, guys, you have to try the hot dogs here sa Infinity. It's so good. As in, get all of the toppings.
A magical day so far, enjoying the beautiful Disney adventure.
Hello! Hello! This is so nice. Ito yung may kasalanan.
It is now 5:23 p.m. and I wanna buy yung Remy na toy. Tapos, I have a 6 p.m. show sa theater. So, pupunta tayo dun after. Oh my gosh, I just finished watching yung Remember Me. Ay, nakakaiyak ko sa sobra. As in, iyak ako ng iyak. As in, tuloy-tuloy. Eh, yung last show na pinanood ko yung sa Adventure Seas. Ano siya, like, na-teary eye lang ako. Pero ito talaga, as in, iyak talaga ako. Oh my God. Ang ganda talaga. Ano kaya bibilin mo yan para sa'yo? Bakit?
Para po ng bata. Ayan, natik mo.
Magkano?
$40.
Pero ang ganda ng quality. May nakasulat ba na Andy sa ano? Sa paa?
There's a snake in my book.
Tapos pakita mo sa kanila yung binili ko na claw clip. Baymax claw clip. I bought it. Hindi naman. Ano nga, Ave Marie? Hindi naman.
Kuha ko ng coke.
Uy, pagpatugtog ka muna. Ako na lang. Shovale, Shovale. Hindi naman ganyan yung may acting. So cute. It's so cute. I found it there. It's only one left. It looks like my dog. Yeah. We're here sa Batcha Coffee. And I got yung truffle mushroom croissant. Tapos si ate, kumuha siya ng coffee. This is coffee with, I don't know, parang malamig siya. Vanilla cream. Let's try it. Tapos naglalagay. Guys, you have to get this truffle and mushroom croissant. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap ng truffle croissant. Napatake out ako ng dalawa. We're at Animators again for dinner. Iba na yung menu nila. So, I got the vegetable dumpling. Okay, I ordered the wonton. So, let's try. I also got the katsu. Ayan, si Kuya Mark ang na-meet ko dito sa arcade.
Have a good night. Thank you po.
Okay, turn na namin, guys.
I hope my family is doing well in the Philippines. And this guest, Madam, is a very beautiful and a very kind guest.
Thank you.
So I hope you enjoy your experience here at Disney. Thank you so much, and it's your turn to play now.
Thank you!
you.